Whisung is the world's best electric equipment diagnosis system specialist corporation. Since its establishment in 2012, the company has been recognized for its excellent technology and expertise, thanks to its continuous innovation and modifications. And it has since grown into a specialized company in the field of power, industrial facility diagnosis, and monitoring. Whisung developed the world's first 6-type integrated multifunctional complex sensor called WUD58C, as well as an online status diagnosis detection system based on IoT technology, with unrivaled technical knowledge and continuous R&D. WUD011A, a portable ultrasound diagnostic device, is an ultrasound diagnostic device equipped with a video camera. WUD011A is a product that can detect ultrasonic waves that appear when any abnormalities, such as insulation deterioration of the power equipment, occur, and record a video of the current situation. A piece of high-tech, portable power system diagnostic equipment that enables more advanced preventative maintenance activities. This product is able to detect ultrasonic waves with only an ultrasonic detector. In addition, the CDS23 and CDS24, which are capable of unmanned automated heat detection, are able to accurately calibrate temperature, and these products are being developed and manufactured alongside the CDS26, which is the standard temperature generator to meet increasing needs for detection and other heat detection systems with high accuracy and convenience, to provide to the power and industrial industries and to satisfy the high detection needs that have come about as a result of COVID-19. Whisung will do its best to create a safe world. That is the source of global happiness through continuous innovation and modification and ensure customer satisfaction. We will remain beside our customers as we move forward as a company, specializing in electrical equipment diagnosis systems for safe and convenient power and industrial facilities. Whisung aims to create a safe world using electricity.